All right. So, showing off my app. To start with, I have the GoGo maintenance login screen. As you can see, when I go about making an account, I can do test. I can do please delete at delete.com. And I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say it's a business account. And click sign up. That will then allow that to go straight into my Firebase. This is someone else's stuff, so I won't show it off. However, as you can see, when I go about going to log in, I can do please delete at delete.com and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and click login and it'll log me in. Since I did not set up anything for that and some stuff won't work if I didn't do that, well, won't work right, it just doesn't look right, I will instead click the bypass button for something that is already set up. Moving on from that, as you can see, it all has a uniform theme. If I pop between screens, you can see that all of the themes here look nice. I have a sign out button right here, which fully is functional. Moving on, here is my AI mechanic that I set up in my most recent sprint. If I ask, or just say hello to start off, it'll reply to me very nicely, give me some stuff saying, hey, what do you need help with? And yeah, if I then go ahead and send it a thing and ask it to explain it, it'll give me all of the things that I might need to do to fix it, as well as ways to check if that is it. Some of these things require specialty tools, however, and in that case, to even check, you would probably have to send it into a shop. For a little fun Easter egg, however, I decided to make it so if I click this guy 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it will then change to an angry mode where I can say hello, and it will just get all angry at you and say, hey, I just want to work on cars. What are you going on about? Just for a fun little Easter egg. I made it 10 so that you can't accidentally come across it, and it won't cause any problems there. And yeah, that is the current GoGo maintenance app. Hope you guys have a nice day, and see ya.